Hey friends, if you wish to disable or enable update restart notification on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will explain the procedure to do it first and then I'll explain why this is required. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side, select advanced options and there's an option notify me when a restart is required to finish updating. If you turn this off, that is disabling this option, and if you turn it on, it is enabling this option. I suggest you to keep it turned on because if you turn it off by mistake, it is on by default, but if you turn it off, then your system will restart after an update immediately and you will not even be notified of the same. So any wise person would say that a notification is must, because if you had to shut down your system randomly, then it would be similar to what happens after blue screen out, that no one wants it for any reason. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.